The function f is defined by f of x equals to a to the x to the power positive b, where a and b are constants. In the xy plane, the graph of y equals to f of x has an x-intercept at 3, 0 and a y-intercept at 0, negative 342. What is the value of a positive b? Okay, since we have the information y equals to f of x in the given function over here, we can replace this f of x by y. Then we get y equals to a to the x to the power positive b. And the graph of the given function has x-intercept 3, 0 and y-intercept 0, negative 342. That is, the graph of the given function passes through these 2 points. Okay, now let me plug in this point 3, 0 into this equation over here. That is, we have to plug in this x coordinate 3 for x and the y coordinate 0 for y over here. Then I'm getting 0 equals to a to the third power positive b. Now let me plug in the y-intercept, that is this point, into this equation. We have to plug in this x coordinate 0 for x over here and y coordinate negative 342 for y over here. Then I'm getting negative 342 equals to a to the 0th power positive b. Okay, negative 342 equals to the value of a to the 0th power. That is, anything raised to the 0th power equals to 1 positive b. Okay, now let's solve for b in this equation. Let me subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. Positive and negative 1 will cancel out. When I combine this one and this one, I am getting negative 343 equals to b. I got the value of b. To get the value of this expression a positive b, still we need the value of a. So to get the value of a, we can plug in this value negative 343 for b in this equation. Okay, now let me do it. That is 0 equals to a to the third power negative 343. I plugged in negative 343 b over here. Let me add 343 to both sides of the equation. Then this one will cancel out. When I combine 0 and positive 343, I am getting 343 on the left side. On the right side, we have a cube. Since our aim is to get the value of a, we have to get rid of this exponent 3. For that, we have to take a cube root on both sides of the equation. Okay, let me take on the right side, this cube root and cube will cancel out. We can use Desmos to get the value of a cube root of 343. When I do so, I'm getting 7 as a value for cube root of 343. On the right side, we have a. Okay, now I got the values of both the constants a and b. Let's get the value of a positive b. So for a, we can plug in 7 and for b, we have negative 343. Okay, here when I combine positive 7 and negative 343, I am getting negative 336. Therefore, the value of a positive b is negative 336.